wait for that red flag to be taken away. This is the 17th successive running of the French Motorcycle Grand Prix at the Bugatti circuit. Lorenzo, Marquez and Ianone on the front row of the grid. The French Grand Prix is underway and Lorenzo has made a flyer. Lorenzo fast out of the gate. Marquez has already dropped in a few positions. Polispargo swept through as Andrea Dovizioso, but Lorenzo got the whole shot. He will lead into that Dunlop chicane. Marquez has already been pushed back down to 5th place. Bradley Smith got away well into the inside of Valentino Rossi. Rossi sweeps back. Rossi has gained 1 place up into 6th. Lorenzo leads. It's the rider's nightmare. The perfect start from Jorge Lorenzo as they plunge down through the La Chapelle corner. And on the left there, that's where the 24-hour car racing circuit goes. Up towards the museum corner. Can Ianone stay the pace? Dovizioso up the inside of Polispargo. Yeah, Ianone just moving Polispargo out wide at the museum corner. That's allowed Marquez to sweep back through. Marquez had a pretty tough start to line. Polispargo though finds straight back when he run wide. Marquez, oh what an aggressive move by Marquez. Down in the garage there, corner. Left foot off the foot next to Polispargo. That was close. They race down now towards the Shimano Buff S's. Lorenzo leads the way. Polispargo slapping it out with Valentino Rossi. Oh, Marquez and Espargaro, remember those battles in the Moto2 World Championship. Oh, Valentino Rossi's getting dusted up here. Cal Carrock slow. Lace Espargaro on the inside. Rossi's in a sandwich there between the Lace Espargaro and Bradley Smith. Very, very rare to see the Italian get rolled up here in the early part of the race. He tries to retaliate on the inside of Bradley Smith. He does indeed. Rossi fighting back at the inside of the track through Yamaha. Ross just the sort of fight that Valentino Rossi does not want to be involved in. Lorenzo crosses the line. He has almost half a second advantage over Dovizioso. Ianone, Marquez, Polispargo, Lace Espargaro, Valentino Rossi up towards the Dunlop chicane. Rossi up the inside of Lace Espargaro. He started 7th. He ended the first lap in 7th place, but he's back up inside the top 6th. Then made the move stick on the Lace Espargaro through the Dunlop chicane. Next in his sights will be Lace's younger brother Polispargo, who got pretty roughed up on the first lap by Marquez. Lorenzo still leading from Andrea Dovizioso. Next Andrea Ianone. Marquez 1.6 seconds behind the race leader in 4th. The tugs downhill now towards the garage for the right-hander that brings him onto this short back straight. Where are the two Ducatis then? Marquez, you see. Marquez has had problems down at this corner during practice and qualifying. And then accelerate up towards the Shimano Buff S's. Lorenzo, the gap staying pretty constant at the moment, but this is what he does. And then when he has to, he gets only to follow and can disappear. Can the Ducatis hang on to the Yamaha in these early stages? Valentino Rossi edging ever close to Polispargo in 5th place. That's the new gap. It's over half a second for the first time in this race. We know how superior Lorenzo can be with clear time in front of him. This is where he loves to lead. This is where he excels. The onus now is on the likes of Dovizioso and Andrea Ianone to try and make a fight of this 28-lap race. We're about to complete the 2nd lap. There's Bradley Smith just ahead of Maverick Vinales, who again was a 4-star to Vinales. There's Bradley Smith, it's Maverick Vinales just behind him. 300-kilometre right-hander. They break out from the chicane. Rossi on the inside of Polispargo. Has he made it? He has. Polispargo roughing up in this race, isn't he? Yeah, Polispargo actually had the quicker line through that first chicane because Rossi had the time to ride. And Polispargo had no choice but just to momentarily close the throttle. He had to run wide. It was a classic kind of block pass manoeuvre. Valentino Rossi, Maverick Vinales on the charge. He's up the inside of Bradley Smith. There's been some hard but fair moves out there so far. No such drama at the front as yet for Jorge Lorenzo, who's just put in the personal best lap of the race of 1:33.724. Rossi now to chase down Marquez. He's 1.2 seconds behind the Spaniard. Unaware of all the drama behind him, Jorge Lorenzo tries to turn the screw up the front as they come into the Shimano Buff S's. Left and right, 3rd sector time will come on. Formerly world champion of the race winner here last year. Dovizioso, though you've got to say, he's hanging on by his fingernails, not to let him get away. Yeah, Andrea Dovizioso is actually doing a phenomenal job at the moment, putting all the backlog behind him. Missed the front row of the grid here in Le Mans yesterday for the first time since 2011, but that gap's definitely shrunk just a fraction. Will track Lorenzo over the line, still might be around half a second. Vinales comes through as well.
Dua siapa sih, Ki?
Massive wobble under the brakes. That's number 2 Suzuki.
12,
With the brakes, Bradley Smith coming from Scott Roddy just behind him. Valentino Rossi's already made a good breakaway from this chasing group. He's about 6/10 of a second, just over 7/10 now clear of Alexis Spargo. Everybody's waiting
masih
now
bisa
for the
juga baca dari jarak jauh.
Rossi and Marquez. Rossi trying to hunt down the number 93. The gap now down to just 9/10 of a second. There's a good battle down further down the field.
Smith
comes ready.
Baca dari jarak jauh.
Still 24 and a half laps to go of this round 5 of the MotoGP World Championship. And again, on that 4 is ianone, who set the best lap of the race, but it's just been bettered by Valentino Rossi. Rossi on the charge. He's cut that gap down to Marquez now to just over 7/10 of a second. Lorenzo can't quite break the shackles of the two factory Ducatis. Confirmation there on your screens of that 1:33.293 last time around for Valentino Rossi. That was 3/10 of a second quicker than the race leader, Jorge Lorenzo. The problem to Rossi is Lorenzo's 3.3 seconds up the road. You can't speak highly enough of the performance of the two Ducatis at the moment, because Lorenzo by this time in many a race would have started to prize a fair old advantage. They're giving it absolutely everything to prevent that. But Lorenzo, may just be waiting for it to settle down, waiting for the tyres to really bed in, waiting for the fuel load to go down a little bit, and then he has his ability to look at his board, see where everything is, and then try and put in some really quick runs. As if to say, right boys, you can stay with this, but can you stay with this if I off the pace? Well, Marquez had some pretty well documented off-track problems with Valentino Rossi that she's about to have a big on-track problem with the Italian, because Rossi's just taking chunks of time out of Marquez. Although in that third sector, Rossi lost 3/10, so whether Valentino Rossi might have made a mistake in the braking zone for the Shimano chicane, we'll track that as Lorenzo comes through the corner on double right-hander at the end of the lap. He still leads the way from the two Ducatis. Lorenzo over the line, personal best lap of the race for him, a 1:33.459. I reckon he's just decided to turn the screw a little bit and throw down the gauntlet to the two red Ducatis to say, right, and ianone now says, right, mind you, let me lead the pack, let me have a go. But make sure I don't take it with me down the road as I did in Argentina. But now it's ianone in second place. And if it's so well, you're probably just hanging there and see if ione's got the pace to pull him along a little bit. Of course, these two fighting for just one place available in the factory Ducati team next year. Ducati still keeping them both waiting. He's a little bit wide going through the museum corner. No chance for Dovizioso to retaliate immediately. Valentino Rossi on that last lap lost 4/10 of a second in the final 2 sectors on Marquez. He closed the gap to 6/10, but he's been edged out now to 1.3 seconds. I'm sure if Valentino Rossi's got some kind of a minor issue, or whether Marquez has just got his pitfall message and decided to up his pace. Down through the gearbox into the Shimano Buffets as we ride with Andrea Ianone at the back. In his face is his teammate number 4, Andrea Dovizioso. Little short straight then into the blue S is the right-hander first right. What might be happening here with Marquez, of course, he did go for that hard option front Michelin tyre, so he might have just had to have waited a couple of laps just for it to come in and give him the grip that he wants, because Marquez at the moment is stretching away from Valentino Rossi, while at the same time closing the gap on the two Ducatis. Marquez is doing exactly that. He's the fastest man on the track last time around the Spaniard. There he is, 1:33.576, 1.2 seconds behind Andrea Dovizioso. It's Marquez, quickest of this lead group of 5. Well, coming in this morning, we were discussing the race. We see that Lorenzo gets away. That could be a bit of the front, but it should be a fierce old battle for the podium positions. You just get the feeling that is exactly what is going to happen. 22 to go. Lorenzo Ianone, Dovizioso, Marquez, Rossi, and Scott Redding has retired out of the race. That sounds like a mechanical problem. We then have Alexis Vinales, Paul Spider, Bradley Smith, Trans7 Prancis Le Mans, and Andy Petrucci, Eugene Lavany in 40th, Bravo Miller, Barbara Basra, and Baptista. But Scott Redding out of the race on the Pramac Ducati. Oh, Ianone's crashed under. Ianone was in second place, leading the chase.
Ianone jatuh. in Qatar. It's over for Ianone.
Guards for the corner.
No, tak, to kita kaya lang.
21 and a half laps to go. Let's have a look. They come down out of the museum corner.
Kalau hujan itu Rossi yang biasa sih.
And there he goes. Front end lost. Cost the extra tarmac they have there into the gravel.
Well, that's a disaster for Ianone. Not for the first time in 2016 as he squandered a great chance to get a podium finish. He did it on the opening night of the championship in Qatar in the similar circumstances when he was chasing down. Cal Crutchlow down.
4 crashes in 5 races for Cal Crutchlow. Another 4th in the blue S's. This is turning into an absolute disaster for Cal Crutchlow and the LCR Honda team.
Yeah, that's a
Habis
nightmare
hujan
for Crutchlow.
kayaknya.
What this is doing, of course, is helping balancing Rossi out. Rossi's now up to 4th place. And with Ianone out of the race, it's given Lorenzo just, well, quite a big bit of breathing space actually, because he's 1.5 seconds now clear of Andrea Dovizioso. So we know how great Lorenzo is at managing this race. And with 21 laps to go, he's in the prime seats to take his 2nd win of the season.
It's a good battle for 5th place.
They've got a couple of good battles of late.
Alexis Marquez has been 5th in the last 2 races, hasn't he?
Yeah, they've finished alongside each other actually in the last 2 Grand Prix. Tito Rabat's also fallen out at turn number 6. So the tough rookie season as Vinales runs it wide of the Shimano Verve chicane. Rabat is out of the race
there, wasn't it, Maverick Vinales?
It was. There is Tito Rabat. That's turn 6. That's La Chapelle. That's a fast old crash for the former Moto2 world champion. Thankfully, he's on his feet, but all alone.
Kalau kayak gini gagal tapi nggak jadi.
Now Andrea gets jump ship. And on that last lap around, Lorenzo was 7/10 of a second faster than Andrea Dovizioso. 1:33.5 from Lorenzo. Nobody else is within 4/10 of a second of the Spaniard.
2.2-second advantage. Marquez in 3rd, Rossi, Maverick Vinales, Alexis Spargo, Paul Spargo, Bradley Smith, Danny Pedrosa, Danilo Petrucci, top 10. Another good ride from Eugene Lafford in 11th. Bridal Barber, Miller Baptiste and Baz. Only 16 riders left in this race. And there's a long, long way to go. There is still just over 19 laps to go. Some big points to pick up here for riders.
We've lost Johnny Hernandez as well. It's turning into a bit of a battle of attrition out there at the moment because Rabat, Crutchlow and Hernandez have gone out. Scott Redding's retired. Andrea Ianone is back out there actually. He's running around circulating in 17th place. Circulating with a fairly comfortable lead of over 2 seconds. It's the reigning world champion Jorge Lorenzo, who made that lightning start as he's so accustomed to doing. Once you give him clear tarmac, it's crucial for the race that Marquez or so Ianone made the start. Marquez had a nightmare launch off the line, but he's doing a great job now of trying to hunt down